Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, just a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box. It will transfer you to our website where you can check all of those codes, but not only, of course, you can check other options which are connected with the Alcatel, so for example the hard reset information, etc. But mainly I would like to focus on the secret codes. As you can see, you've got the list, under it you've got the screenshots, and you can learn how to use them again if you don't want to watch this video. Alright, so let me go back and let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me start with the code which is probably the most known. It is *#06#. Remember, everything is listed in the list which is in the description box under the link. Alright, so here we've got the code which will provide us with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you a pretty similar code, which is *#07#. And thanks to this code, we can enter the regulatory and safety section, so we can check the exact product model, the type of it, and the manufacturer name, address, where it was made, the email number, etc. So quite technical info, I would say. What is more, we can use the code in order to show the calendar information, and the code is *##225#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we can check all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you actually the last code for this device, which is *##426####. And as you can see, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and signal level. What is more, we can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, mark it, and tap on the status again. And here we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.